built jacket and your shades. We're taking lead from this big satin. So we'll be miles away. Oh, down the red sky we'll be melting. Someday we'll be flying somewhere we'll define. Crows flying on the road, laughing, moving at a speed of 100 miles. The blue of the horizon is all we see. Fly with me, floating on the wind, smashing all the little fears that can stop a ride. Skies without a cloud, it's all we see. We're flying, we don't do it for fame. I feel your pulses growing quicker.
Hello guys! Dito pala ako ngayon sa St. Juan's. Lalakad ako. Ang sarap mag-ano dito, walking. Fresh air ang nalalanghap mo. O, diba? Ay, naku ka. Ayan. Hindi ko kasama ngayon si Raymond, pero inaya ko siya, baka busy si friend. Yung mga footprints ng dogs. Medyo malamig pa siya. Mahangin din. Tapos medyo yung simoy ng hangin ay medyo malamig pa. Spring na dito sa Jersey. At sa England. So anywhere in Europe, spring na. Ayan. So dinrop ako ni Dave. Galing kaming nag-lunch. Quick lunch lang. Yung sandwich lang. Ganun lang yung mga lunch nila. Ayan o. Guys, so mayroon pa. Ayan. Kasi dun banda yung airport nila. So, quick lunch lang kami. Ganda ng weather ngayon. Quick lunch and then sabi ko gusto kong maglakad. Kaya ito, naglalakad ako. So peaceful guys. Ayan na. Nag-land na yung plane.